In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unmark an invoice as paid in QuickBooks. If an invoice was marked as paid by mistake, or the payment was applied to the wrong customer transaction, QuickBooks gives you a simple way to reverse that. The main idea is that you are not directly editing the invoice first. Instead, you need to locate the payment connected to that invoice and then remove it by deleting it or voiding it, depending on what you need. To begin, go to the Sales menu on the left-hand side of QuickBooks. From there, select Invoices, or in some versions, you may need to choose All Sales. Both options can help you locate the invoice you want to update. Next, find and open the specific invoice that is currently marked as paid. This part is important, so take a moment to scroll carefully and double-check that you are selecting the correct invoice before making any changes. If you have several invoices with similar amounts or dates, it is worth confirming the details now so you do not accidentally affect the wrong transaction. Once you open the invoice, look for the payment link shown on the page. You should see something labeled like View Payment followed by a number, and it is usually displayed as a blue hyperlink. Click that link to open the related payment transaction record. This takes you to the payment that is causing the invoice to appear as paid. On the payment page, scroll down to the bottom and click More. A small menu should appear with additional actions you can take for that payment. From that menu, select Delete or Void depending on the option that best fits your situation, and then confirm your choice when QuickBooks asks. Deleting completely removes the payment record, while voiding keeps a record of the transaction but changes the amount so it no longer applies as a payment. If you are unsure which one to use, just be careful and confirm the option that matches your bookkeeping needs. After that, go back and check the invoice again. The invoice should no longer show as paid, and this lets you confirm that the change was applied successfully. It is always a good idea to verify the result before moving on, especially if you are correcting records for customer balances or reporting. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.